it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we are making something a little bit different. We're going to make a salad that's made with carrots, raisins, and a little bit of pineapple, and it's oh so good and refreshing. So we're going to start with having some carrots, some raisins. We have some pineapple tidbits. We drained the juice off of these, some mayo, some salt, as well as some apple cider vinegar. So let's get started. First, we're going to go ahead and shred these carrots, and then we're going to go ahead and combine the rest of the ingredients. And there you have it, your carrot, raisin, pineapple tidbit salad, all done and ready. After it's refrigerated, you just take it out, you unwrap the plastic wrap, and you enjoy. Until next time, bye.